Good morning. First of all, let me introduce my name. My name is Desya De Iwana, NIM 4409062 from Integrated Science Department, Semarang State University. In this morning, I would like to thank for the opportunities that has been given to me to present my review essay with the title The Effectiveness of Mobile Learning with the application of Learning Cycle Model 7E. Chapter 1 Introduction. The process of developing science and technology, which is increasingly rapid, always encourages education to participate in the use of innovative learning. Mobile devices have the potential to be used as interactive learning media and can achieve strategies in achieving learning goals, namely utilizing integrated technology. The limited of education is conveying information or class time is can be helped by use of learning media. Apart from being a source information, the learning media is also source practice question. The development of learning media is related to the learning method used by education. One of the learning method is the learning cycle model or 7E. The learning cycle learning model is a learning model in a constructive strategy that is developed based on the theory of how students should learn, where problems are presented as problems that must be solved by using previously obtained experience. By applying this model, it will be easy to learn and useful in creating opportunities in science, learning, and inquiry-based learning models. There are activity stage paths that are organized so the student can master the competencies that must achieve by learning taking an active role. The application of the 7E learning cycle model in learning has a positive effect on motivate and learning outcome, interest to the motivate learning outcome, and affect the character of students. Chapter 2 Literature Review. According to the research of Vidyastuti et al. In 2040, the implementation of integrated 7E learning cycle model of school program is effective to improve the character of curiosity on problems, the character quality on effective the use mobile learning by applying the learning cycle model 7E. Chapter 3 Method. This paper is integrated literature review and includes published studies to discuss the characteristic, quality, and effectiveness of the use mobile learning by applying the learning cycle model 7E. To investigate the review, we conclude a database article from Google Scholar related to the effectiveness of mobile learning with the application of learning cycle model 7E. The steps taken to determine the effectiveness of mobile learning by applying the learning cycle model 7E are analyzing the effectiveness of mobile learning in science learning, analyzing the reason why the learning cycle model 7E is suitable for application, and present the conclusion in the review. Next, finding and discussion. Android smartphones are widely used to support media learning in schools. Previous research has been conducted against use of smartphone or Android as mobile learning in method 7E, which is very interesting. An explanation of the effectiveness of mobile learning and the learning cycle model 7E will be discussed as below. 1. Mobile learning. Educators certainly understand that children at the junior high school level have, have high cognitive aspects so that we can optimize and develop them in learning process. In this one, on the learning process, the student through material, for example, ebook, audio, and interactive learning video, quizzes, and other. One of the alternative learning is through the development of teaching material that can improve the quality of learning in student, student mastery of mature material. Learning cycle 7E. The 7E learning cycle model has several stages of the activities that are constructed so that students are able to master basic concepts in the role learning. In the according in the according with the view of construction, students are able to actively explore detailed knowledge, assimilating and accumulation all kinds of new knowledge. There, teaching students to actively participate in instilling an understanding of daily application. The step is in the learning cycle 7E. Number one is elicit, number two engage, number three explore, number four is explain, number five is elaborate, number six is evaluate, and number seven is extend. In the conclusion, the finding of this study provide information about the effectiveness of multi-learning is applying in the 7E learning cycle model, such as using a teaching media and approaches learning models greatly affect of the understanding, abilities, and improvement of learning achievement of students. One of which of by combining mobile learning teaching media has the 7E learning cycle model. I have presented all of the content is my proposal. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot for my presentation. Thank you very much for your nice intention. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.